Good morning all of you. Welcome to the channel 3 Hours Education. On students demand we have started the map series for class 12 geography examination. Then in the map series this is part 4 and in this part we are going to do the map from energy resources topic. Friends, right now we are going to discuss about the major oil refineries. You can see first of all we will locate Mathura in the map. And look at the map of Uttar Pradesh here. Mathura is located here in the western part of Uttar Pradesh. So we'll show here in the map. As you know, here we have Delhi and very close to Delhi in the western Uttar Pradesh we have Mathura. Okay. So it is an important oil refinery, Mathura. Friends, some oil refineries are located near the source of oil and some oil refineries are located away from the source of oil. They are located near market. So we are classifying oil refineries in two parts. Mathura is located away from the source. Through pipelines, oil is transported here and Mathura is referred as market-based oil refinery. Okay. So second market-based oil refinery is Barauni, that is located in Bihar. You see the map of Bihar here, and in Bihar state Barauni is located. This is Bihar and here Barauni is located. So we are doing the labeling here. Okay. Mathura and Barauni both are away from the sources. Sources are near the western India and Assam. So both are away from the sources. That is why they are market-based oil refineries. As per the CBSE map list, third important oil refinery is Jamnagar. You see the map of India. It is located in Gujarat. Okay, near the coastal location. This is your Gujarat. And here we have Jamnagar oil refinery. Jamnagar oil refinery is located near the oil fields, near the source of oil. So it is source based oil refinery. So friends, now we'll discuss large and integrated iron and steel plants in India. In this list, in the examination, location and labeling of Bokaro will be done. You see Bokaro. Now look at the map of India. Bokaro is located in Jharkhand state in the south of Bihar. We locate here Bokaro. Okay. So A part Bokaro I am writing here. Now as per the CBSE map list, next iron and steel plant is Durgapur, which is located in West Bengal. West Bengal. Durgapur. So this Durgapur iron and steel plant is located in West Bengal. You see, Durgapur is here in West Bengal. Okay friends. Now the next iron and steel plant is Jamshedpur. And you see the map of India. Jamshedpur is also located in Jharkhand. Jamshedpur is the same iron and steel plant which was the first large plant in India, set up in 1907, and here production started in 1912, set up by Tata. And this is the location of Jamshedpur in the southern part of Jharkhand, as you have seen in the map. Okay, so we are writing here its name. So location and labeling both we are doing as we do in all the maps. So friends, next important map is Rourkela or Rourkela. It is located in Orissa state. You see, it is Orissa state, and in northern region we have Rourkela. This is Orissa, and in northern region we have Rourkela. Okay. So we are writing here. Children, in theory also you get this question. Most of the iron and steel plants are mainly concentrated in Chota Nagpur region. Explain the factors responsible for this. So in this manner you can easily learn their names and their locations. Okay, Bokaro and Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, Durgapur in West Bengal and Rourkela in Odisha. Very close to this Chota Nagpur belt we have next iron and steel plant, that is Bhilai. It is located in Chhattisgarh. You see the map of India. In Chhattisgarh Bhilai is located. Okay. So this is your Bhilai in Chhattisgarh. Now next map is located at Bhadravati, Visvesvaraya steel plant. Bhadravati, that is in Karnataka. You see the map of Karnataka here. Bhadravati is located in the southern region of Karnataka. Okay, so we are showing Karnataka here and we are we are showing Bhadravati in Karnataka here and we are writing its name here. Bhadravati, Visvesvaraya iron and steel plant in Karnataka at Bhadravati. Maps, these iron and steel plants will be asked in your exam. Now we will do major cotton textile centers in the map of India. These are important centers. First one will be asked in the exam, that is Varanasi. It is located in Uttar Pradesh. Look at the map. This is your Uttar Pradesh and in southeastern part we have Varanasi. So this is your Varanasi. Okay. Then next is Surat. That is located in Gujarat. Look at the map of Gujarat here. In southern part of Gujarat we have Surat here. This is your Surat. Okay. Now next cotton textile center is Murshidabad. It is located in West Bengal. You see, this is your West Bengal and here we have Murshidabad. So along with location we are doing the labeling also. Okay, Murshidabad. After this we have Sholapur and this Sholapur is located in Maharashtra. You see, this is Maharashtra and southern part of Maharashtra we have Sholapur. So this is your Sholapur Cotton Textile Center. Okay. And then we have Coimbatore. Further south we are going in Tamil Nadu. This Coimbatore is located. Look at this map. And in the western part of Tamil Nadu we have Coimbatore location. Okay. So this is your Coimbatore. All these important cotton textile centers will be asked in the CBSE examination. These 5 centers are cotton textile centers. Friends, again I remind you, subscribe the channel if you have not done so for the coming videos related to the map. This is map series part 4 and in the next video remaining maps of India and world we are going to do. Thank you very much. Stay healthy. Keep yourself fit and fine so you can devote extra time for the revision of maps to get full marks in map. 10 on 10. Okay. Bye-bye.